So here we have a classic product rule problem. How do I know? Two functions multiplied together. The first function I will call P. The second function I will call Q. And another thing I'll notice is I'm going to rewrite Q in the way that is really what it is, which is sine of x all to the fourth. It's easier to see now that the inner function is sine of x. So now I know that I'm going to need two inner derivatives. When I go thinking about p prime, I'm going to have to recognize that there is an inner function. And so p prime will be equal to the derivative of the inner, which is 2, because the inner is 2x, times the original 2e to the 2x. That's p prime. And that was when p was equal to 2e to the 2x. So q is equal to sine of x all to the fourth. So when I think about q prime, this is going to be the derivative of the inner times the derivative of the outer with respect to u. This one's a little bit more complicated, so I'm going to do it the long way. I'm going to let u equal sine of x, and therefore du dx, shorthand u prime, is equal to cosine of x. The derivative of the outer, the derivative of q with respect to u, well, that q is really equal to u to the fourth, so its derivative is 4u cubed. These two derivatives are what will be multiplied together to be q prime. So q prime is cosine of x times 4u cubed. And at this point, I'll go ahead and sub in for that u. U was sine of x. So now I have everything that I need for my formula, which says p prime q plus q prime p. What did we have for p prime? 4e to the 2x times my original q sine of 4 to the x, or sine of x to the fourth, plus q prime was cosine x times 4 sine cubed of x times p, and p was 2e to the 2x. So our final answer is all of the blue multiplied and added together is shown.